Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, EV enthusiasts. Welcome to Electro Drive News. Today we're talking about a game-changing update that's set to transform the electric vehicle industry. Imagine being able to plug in your car and knowing that you'll have access to thousands of charging stations across the country. That's exactly what Honda and Acura drivers are getting this summer, thanks to a new partnership with Tesla. Starting in June, owners of Honda Prologue and Acura ZDX vehicles will be able to get their hands on a Honda-approved fast charging adapter at authorized U.S. dealerships. This means that EV drivers will have significantly more charging options than ever before, which is a major boost for range anxiety. According to EVBox, 41% of potential EV drivers in 2022 expressed concern about not being able to charge their vehicle when needed. So, this new partnership could be just the thing to get more people on board with electric vehicles. But what's really exciting here is that this isn't an isolated incident. Tesla Superchargers are already available to several other car companies' electric vehicles, including Rivian, Ford, and Mercedes-Benz. And let me tell you, these superchargers are renowned for their reliability. They boast a low failure rate compared to other public charging stations. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about the potential downsides of this partnership. Like, what if the adapters cause issues with charging speeds or damage charging ports? Well, it's worth noting that Rivian and General Motors haven't noticed any problems like that, so we'll have to wait and see how things play out. But here's the thing. By facilitating better access to charging infrastructure, this partnership could encourage even more consumers to adopt EVs. And let's be real, who doesn't want to save money on fuel and maintenance? Plus, EVs are responsible for much less pollution over their lifetimes than gas guzzlers, even when taking into account manufacturing, charging, and mining for battery materials. So, what would you look for in an electric vehicle if you were shopping around right now? Would it be the cost, the battery range, power and speed, or something else entirely? We want to hear from you. Join us next time on Electro Drive News.